wind advisory in effect, not just, excuse me, not just for tonight, but all the way through Saturday morning. Excuse me. And then additionally, a pollution advisory. Maybe that's why I'm coughing, guys, because the air quality is not going to be great. The potential for blowing dust out there because we haven't seen a whole lot of wetting rain. So all things to keep in mind as we make our way into tonight and into tomorrow. And we'll talk more about the timing of this system coming up just a little bit later on in the show.
Okay, Christy, we'll see you then. That Arctic blast that has swept across the country, still dumping